Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So Christmas is fast approaching, and with Christmas comes the chaos of freight. Now this year particularly, and I've mentioned this in a couple of different videos, the freight system in Australia particularly, but even around the world, is under pressure a little bit. So we thought we'd make this announcement well and truly ahead of time. We're going to do freight right up until the 1st of December, and at that point, we're going to start saying to people, it may not arrive in time for Christmas. Now look, it may, but it may not. And we just want to make people aware of that. So if you're doing any shopping for Christmas and you want it delivered to give for gifts and that sort of stuff, make sure you've got the order placed well before the 1st of December. We'll get it shipped out prior to the 1st of December, and you should have it in plenty of time. Anything after the 1st of December, and it may or may not arrive, and you'll actually find we'll cut postage off pretty much altogether by about the 15th, because we don't want it that's the 15th of December, because we don't want it getting caught up and staying in depots and that sort of thing for weeks at a time over the Christmas New Year break. So get your orders in preferably before the 1st of December so we can get them shipped out to you as quickly as possible. Now that also counts if you've got stuff in our allocated storage. You've had it there, particularly the Victorians who have had it there during the lockdown period. That's come to an end now. So we're looking at starting to move those ones along that we've stored for free over the lockdown. So rather than having those trying to fight the Christmas traffic and get out, if you can get those requests in early and we'll get them shipped to you ASAP, that would be great. That's it for now. That's all I wanted to say. We'll talk again soon. See ya.